Life at 40. It's not what it used to be, is it? Maybe you spent years working long hours, giving your best day after day, but the bills never stop. The dreams you once had, they are still waiting. That was Mia's story too. A dedicated employee, stuck in the cycle of work, stress, and exhaustion. But one day, something shifted. She asked herself, is this it? Is there no other way? So, she started exploring, not risky investments or get-rich-quick schemes. Simple, practical ways to earn from home. First, she tried freelancing. Companies needed people for tasks like data entry and customer support. It wasn't glamorous, but it paid. Every extra dollar brought relief. Then she discovered print on demand. She uploaded simple designs online. No warehouses, no shipping, no stress. The platforms did the work. Just watch her account grow. And when she realized others were searching for the same freedom, she shared her story. Step by step, she built a community. Her voice mattered. Companies noticed, and soon, brand deals and partnerships followed. Mia's life changed. No more worrying if her paycheck would last. No more missing moments with family. She had time for herself, time to live. And you? You're not stuck. Your experience, your skills, your passion, they all have value. You can start small. Take a step, learn, grow. Because freedom isn't about never working. It's about choosing how you spend your time. And maybe, just maybe, your next chapter starts today. So, what would you do with a little extra freedom? The choice is yours. Can change a life in Mia's story. Why can't you? If you want to change yourself and learn something to change your life, then we have a proven blueprint, where thousands of people are changing their lives. So why are you sitting around? Start now. Click on the link in the description below to change your life. Your future depends on your thoughts. See you in the next video. Thank you.